Let's double check the Enjin token targets updates with my custom set. Just a quick update. So first of all, guys, I think more than real to see Enjin around the test of the monthly main gap and the exit line on the monthly time frame from the bottom, if it was a bottom in October. So 3,500% gains only if we will see the hype and comeback of NFTs, because now basically only people talk about real world asset sector like tokenization, but we need some more bigger hype. If you think NFT is that, just take a look on the Zcash. So who could predict so the privacy token will pump and the Zcash just in one single monthly candle just erase all 8-year downtrend? That's why, guys, never say never, but be realistic with expectation, because I don't know what should happen. So the Enjin will pump to new all-time high like 24,000% gains. Of course, it sounds even silly, right? But of course, if you believe in it, you can wait that targets from the bottom. Here, I would like to show that this was a March 2020. Here, the COVID dump. And you remember the previous cycle, so Enjin performed like 14,000% gains. But you remember the hype around NFTs. Everybody talk about NFTs. It was something new on the field. Now, nobody care about NFTs, just to be honest. What is good with Enjin is FDV and market capitalization are equal, and 98% tokens unlock it. So it's pretty easy, simple count, right? So $1, almost 2 billion market capitalization. So $2.04. So pretty simple, guys. That's why it's good when the tokens fully unlock it, or almost fully unlock it. You know, it means there is no some seller pressure from the vesting schedule or so. Only the pumps can be from that guys who accumulated token and distribute. That's why I guess no makes sense to distribute the tokens now. Of course, we can't know what will happen. Maybe some exchanges will delete this token. We can't know, guys. The Polka starter, the Cadena, the Alpaca finance, many tokens just delisted just because exchanges can delist. What is good? Take a look, guys. So usually we anyway will bounce, I guess, to 20, at least to 18, and after that we'll test the below fundamental value of this token, 24 cents. Here, usually we form something like this one. Here, this one bounce almost to 0.5. Now we will see the same story here as the top. If it's a bottom here, 20 cents and 25 cents, now 17, it's exactly 61 level by FIP. It's a test fundamental value below on a monthly time frame. This is it. And guys, it will be not a mistake if you want to buy now at 4 cents, at 8 cents, withdraw initial deposit, and leave free tokens for a potential right to the monthly gap. I don't know what should happen with the NFT sector, so the Enjin will perform like 4,800% gains to the $1, 2 billion market capitalization, but it should be something big with NFTs. But just in case, guys, this is a magnet, so at least we can test below the monthly gap. Sweep the high of March 2024, test below, maybe the 50% of this gap, maybe fulfill. So just in case, this block, guys, is like a magnet for the price if it was a bottom. If not, of course, we can go down into price discovery mode and lower. So we can't know this was a bottom or not. Here's a 24.74. It's a fundamental value of this token on a monthly. 32.98. It's a buy line test below. Take profit 65.33. It's take profit line on the monthly. Exit line, it's 73.78. So targets you see on your screen. Usually when we see the downtrend like this one, we come back at least to close the 50%. And after that, we need to break this equilibrium and go higher, or going down into longer bear market, right? So weekly time frame, guys, take a look. We still underrated. So Enjin, one of the most underrated token now, but the most horrible scenario what can happen with this token if some exchanges, major exchanges, will just decide to delist this token. I hope no one will delist it. So For the value of this token on the weekly time frame, it's 8 cent 3. That's why if you want to buy now, guys, at test below, you can add just alert and test fundamental value just withdraw initial deposit. It will be not a mistake because after this move, you withdraw your initial money, reinvest in it, and you totally don't care. Even if we go to zero, absolute zero risk. If we go higher, you just print the money from the air. Pretty simple. This is a buy line test 11.21 at this current moment, but lines are dynamic. Take profit line 22.22. It's take profit weekly time frame. Exit line 25.02. It's exit line on the weekly time frame. So just in case, guys. Usually, you know, here when we trade exit over the exit line, it's time to out. That's why it's also possible case scenario if the cycle extended in time. So just in case, be ready for that scenario. But guys, never say never for any token. Zcash is just an amazing example. Daily, guys, we dump it to on that Donald Trump tariffs. We dump it, come back, not even close to 50% of this week. That's why the buy line on a daily looks logical, like 3.91. It's a buy line on a daily. Should we test or not? It's hard to say because here we already retested. Fundamental value of this token is 2.91. 12 time frame. Here we can retest once again. The buy line is 3.29. Let's add alert. Take profit. The buy line on 12 time frame. For me, it skin looks more logical if we will see the downtrend. If BTC guys drop it down to the 96k, definitely the alts will slowly die again. So 50% of this week candle, it's 0.5 level FIP, it's 3.08 daily time frame. So for the value of this token, it's around the 0.5 level FIP. But we can stop at, so let's say the zone of interest, guys. Zone of interest for this token, you can buy, of course, now, if you okay with that for the long run, and if you believe in the Enjin. But 3.32, 2.83. So in this block, I guess it will be not a mistake to at least try accumulate this token, of course, for the spot position. I'm just maybe wait the alert trigger if we will see the alert. Maybe open the futures position because for the spot, I'm more than enough with the tokens. Let's double check other indicators. ADZ I can show you because it's a global ticker from crypto. Direction, some accumulation. Here's accumulation on the weekly, daily, no accumulation. It's kind of weird. Guys, no accumulation, but no distribution. It's also good. So take a look at the market mode. This belief on daily, total depression capitulation on a weekly. So usually it's bullish. Monthly total capitulation since May 2024. Nobody believe in this token anymore. So this one, crazy sell off. That's why time to sell Enjin will be when we'll see once again the some apheria mode on crypto market mode indicator. Trade on. Buybacks on a monthly, weekly sell. Here was a sell, main one March 2024. Now it's a buyback. Now nothing. Daily is good. It was a sell signal here. Summer, take profit from that sell. Buy, recommendation close position, and I wish to see that another signal to buy. 12 out 10 frame. Let's close the take profit. 12 out 10 frame. Buy, recommendation close position. So. It looks like, definitely, I'm not a fan of the patterns, but it looks like a cup and handle. So definitely cup and handle. The size of this cup and handle, guys, should be like full fill of this drop down. So around here. Almost. So if we count with a week, like this one. So yes, it's going to be the around full fill of this drop. And after that, we need to go over than this level, like over the 9 cents, to talk about a break of structure, a global one. And money power, the last indicator, guys. Here, trade on, we can close. Money power, some money inflow was here. It's a good one. Daily money inflow was here at 5 cents 77. So I guess at least we can see the Enjin over than 10 cents, so that guys can withdraw initial deposit. Now we traded it over the middle line, but without any money inflow. Weekly time frame, yes, it's a good one. So here, somebody accumulated at 4 cents, 15. So I hope that guys know what they're doing, right? Last time when somebody accumulated like this one, we drop it down more, but after that we skyrocket to the moon. Not to the moon, you know, I don't like this sentence. 32% drop was, but from the entry it was like 120% profit. Nice one. And the monthly money inflow, so it's good. So somebody accumulated the Enjin. So guys, I hope you like this video. The main targets I showed you, just add alerts and track it. I highly recommend it. By the way, go and check the first main bull run plan video for this talk. And if you would like to trade with my custom markets, I would show it in this video. Use right medium. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.